already looks like this color. How come? How can I make it? Very good. I don't know how they do it, but it's really good. It's like it is from this egg. Look, they make the hole here. They put in with a stick here, go through this egg, and when they sell it, they sell as an egg. And then when I peel off the shell, it comes with this, like amazing. I'm a lucky girl. Look how detailed they make. Use a chopstick, kind of, from bamboo. And look, after they put the chicken wing between the two sticks, they tie it with a wire. It's really professional and it's really cheap. But each one for this set is only 20 baht. 20 baht. It's really amazing. Hello everyone, I'm Elie. Thank you for watching Elie Oops Channel. The new video will be uploaded every day. If you don't want to miss any video, please click the subscribe button below. And if you have something you want me to know or something you want me to do, please leave the comment in the comment section below. I'm really happy that you guys like my video. I'll see you later. Bye!